Hello everyone, welcome to ForceBolt's YouTube channel. We are back again with a piece of informative news for you all. We are excited to tell you that Artifact, the personalized news reader launched last month by Instagram's co-founders, Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, is now open for everyone. And what's more, it is totally free of charge. Artifact team in its blog announced that anyone can download and use Artifact now. And there will be no more waitlist and no phone number required. Everyone can download Artifact via Android or iOS. Sounds amazing, right? Well, not only this, but also you will be amazed to know that the new version of the app also includes various new features to personalize users' experience, visualize reading history, and to see the most popular news in the users' network. The Artifact team aims to give users the control to see what they want in their feed. Now let us tell you about the new features of Artifact that are available for all and will help the user get a much better experience. Firstly, connecting your contacts and seeing what articles are prevalent in your network is now easily possible. When you connect your contacts, you'll see the articles with a special badge when several people have read them. Secondly, once you have read 10 articles, your profile will show statistics on what you have read most. Your top categories, publishers, and topics will be displayed and updated as you read. Further, the thumbs down icon is now visible on all article pages. When you tap it, you can share why you don't like a particular article or publisher and take action to see fewer similar articles. Last but not the least, you can start immediately by selecting your favorite interest. You can save your preferences and history by adding a phone number to your profile as per your wish. Logging in with your phone number allows you to log in across devices or regain access if your phone changes. Well, we have seen some significant launches recently that are shaping the future of technology like nothing else. Let's see what the future of AI technology such as Artifact holds for all of us. Well, that is all we have for you today. We hope the information provided by us proved beneficial to you. If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest technology updates.